guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Muskan and those who are new, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon ताकि जब जब मैं वीडियो डालूँ आपके पास सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन जा सके और आप देख सके मेरा वीडियो। और वीडियो ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा अपने दोस्तों के साथ ताकि वो भी पॉपकॉर्न खाते हुए एंजॉय कर सके। सो दिस इज़ बेसिकली अ ट्रैवल ब्लॉगिंग चैनल जहाँ पे मैं हर जगह का कोई डिटेल्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन देती हूँ कि कैसे पहुँचना है, क्या क्या देखना है। तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर बक let's get into the video. Train connecting Kolkata and Siliguri is Shatabdi Express from Howrah to NGP, covering distance of 566 km in a span of 8 hours, providing catering facilities and fully air conditioned. Welcome to NJP, the New Jalpaiguri station. Now we are heading towards Ichhagaon. It's an off-grid destination in North Bengal. The distance from NJP to Ichhagaon is 85.5 kilometers, which takes almost 3.5 hours via NH10. Distance from Kalimpong is 17 km. The main attraction for the travelers are the rustic style of living and Mount Kanchenjunga. Overlooking the beautiful township of Darjeeling and Sikkim, during the night time the whole valley lights up like flies. The night view from Ichhagaon has captivated the mind of many travelers. Ichhagaon is surrounded by alpine forest of pine and conifer trees, with trekking routes lead towards some of the pictorial viewpoints like Ramtidhara, Tinchule and Jalsa. Ramtidhara offers the panoramic view of river Tista, making the legendary 14 turns through the mountainous Himalayan valley. Hey Daddy! The drama queen. Hey Mommy and Tanya Auntie. We were talking about those best friend travel goals. Hello best friend. We finally reached our desired destination, Zuluk, hamlet in Sikkim. Zuluk, located at a height of 9,400 feet on the rugged terrain of the lower Himalayas in East Sikkim. Of the Indian state Sikkim, this place is relatively an emerging and offbeat destination in East Sikkim at an elevation of 2865 meters. सुबह की गरम गरम चाय और इतनी हसीन वादियाँ, वापस आने का मन थोड़ी करता है, बस रुक जाए वही। और ये छोटे छोटे स्ट्रॉबेरीज है जो हर जगह थे। Now we are heading towards the Silk Route. As the trip to this area requires a special permit, this few kilometers drive takes the tourist through a winding road which provides excellent sunrise view. Though the three-level winding road on the adjoining hills with unique geometrical curves make thrilling experiences for visitors. It is an experience not for the faint-hearted with lots of hairpin bends, not recommended for the easily motion sick. This geometry of curves is matchless, and during snowfall it takes a panoramic appearance that defies description. The zigzag road is definitely an eye-catching landscape. Zuluk offers excellent view of sunrise on Himalayas. तो कौन कौन शिनचैन फैन है? मैं तो बहुत बड़ी शिनचैन फैन हूँ। एक्शन बीन बीन, मेडिटेशन वाला पोज। ओम। हेलो मॉम एंड तनिया आंटी, डैड एंड अंकल, Tanisha and me, and Natasha, her sister. Yeah, travel goals. The zigzag road. Groupie, say cheese. The Cloud Warriors welcomes you. The Silk Route of Sikkim, India has several such high altitude beautiful lakes, and one of the most beautiful is surely the Kupup Lake, locally called Betan Cho. It is one of the most sacred lakes of Sikkim with high mountains and valleys bordering it. Owing to its resemblance to elephant, Kupup Lake is also known as Elephant Lake at an altitude of 13,066 feet on the way to Jalpa Pass bordering area with China and India. This place is known as Nathang Valley. Sileri Gaon is a pictorial hamlet in Kalimpong district of West Bengal. It is located at an altitude of 6,000 feet. It has dense forest of pine trees. Sileri Gaon, with its astonishing view of Mount Kanchenjunga and scenic beauty, is often referred as the New Darjeeling. Sileri Gaon is located at a distance of 23 km from Kalimpong. Visitors need to trek through the thick wooded forest to reach those pictorial spots from Sileri Gaon. One of the most visited destinations of Sileri Gaon is Teen Chule.
Now we are heading towards Aritar. Aditar is a region in the East Sikkim district of the Indian state of Sikkim under Rongli subdivision. It is known for its natural and landscape beauty. It is located on the edge of Himalayas and can be reached in about 4-hour drive from Gangtok via either Pakyong or Rangpo. This place is isolated from the rest of the state on the far eastern border of Sikkim and bounded by Mountain Kanchenjunga. The region is characterized by lush forest, mountains and river. And there is the Aditar Lake. It is also known as Lampokhori Lake. ये वही आडिटर लेक है जो मैंने आप लोगों को ऊपर से टॉप व्यू से दिखाया था, वही है। These local kids are so jolly and friendly. And meet Roser, the Dalmatian. तो बस अब जुलूग वाली कहानी ख़त्म। तो हम लोग घर जा रहे हैं अभी वापस। तो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे, और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर देना प्लीज़। और डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में सारे डिटेल्स दिए हुए हैं, चेक कर लेना अगर किसी को विज़िट करना है तो, या फिर कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो इससे ज़्यादा। और हम लोग थ्रू आउट द जर्नी पूरे टाइम सिर्फ होम स्टे में रुके थे, तो वो लोग फूड और लॉजिंग का एक साथ ले लेते पैकेज, तो अच्छा था।
हे थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर कर देना अपने दोस्तों के साथ, एंड कमेंट डाउन योर क्वेरीज एंड सजेशंस, और सब्सक्राइब कर देना प्लीज़ प्लीज़ प्लीज़। और फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो पे। बाय।